Welcome to the captivating world of King Danjong, a young monarch whose life was both enchanting and tragic. Imagine, if you will, the wooden palaces of the Joseon era, their paper windows softly illuminated by candlelight. The air is filled with the scent of ink from brushes dancing over scrolls, capturing the wisdom of a bygone age. Our tale begins with Danjong, a boy dressed in the vibrant royal hanbok, ascending to the throne at the tender age of 12. His coronation is a spectacle, a sea of colors and tradition. Yet beneath the surface, whispers of political tension ripple through the palace. Danjong, though young, bears the weight of a crown with grace, his innocent eyes reflecting both curiosity and a hint of apprehension. In the shadowed corridors of power, eyes watch Danjong's every move. His uncle, Sejo, a figure draped in mystery and ambition, lurks in the periphery. The court is a delicate dance, where alliances shift like the patterns of sunlight through the palace windows. Despite his youth, Danjong strives to navigate these turbulent waters, unaware of the storm that looms ahead. The tension reaches a climax as Sejo, driven by an insatiable thirst for power, seizes the throne. Danjong, once the center of a bustling court, finds himself exiled to the distant, tranquil lands of Yongwol. Here, the young king's life takes a quieter turn. The bustling palace fades into memory, replaced by the serene whispers of nature and the simplicity of rural life. In Yongwol, Danjong's days unfold in peaceful solitude, yet his heart remains tethered to the kingdom he once ruled. The ink brush becomes his companion, each stroke on the scroll a reflection of his thoughts and dreams. Despite the calm, a poignant sadness lingers, like the gentle fall of autumn leaves. In this quiet exile, Danjong's story meets its tragic end, his life a delicate tapestry of youthful hope and poignant loss. Yet, even in his final moments, there's a sense of serenity, a quiet acceptance of his fate. The life of King Danjong, though brief, is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. His story, painted in the warm hues of tradition and emotion, continues to echo through the halls of history. A gentle reminder of the delicate balance between power and innocence. In the end, Danjong's legacy is not just one of tragedy, but of grace and quiet strength. A legacy that lingers like the soft glow of candlelight in the heart of the Joseon dynasty.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!